Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In this lesson, I will explain it in three languages: English, Arab, and Yoruba. The countable expression. It means the expression used in countable noun. They are several, a few, many, a large number of, a small number of. These are the expressions used in countable nouns. All these expressions are indefinite. They are indefinite pronoun because they are not specify the numbers, but they show that this thing. Some of them are so that these things are too much. Some show that these things are few, but some show these things are not much but not few. They were in between. Example of this thing is the one several, a few, many, a large number of, a small number of. All these expressions are used only with countable nouns. Anything you see these things that are followed by a noun, that noun must be a countable noun. It must not be uncountable. Example 1. There were only a few seats left when we arrived. We know that this a few is followed by seats. This seat is a noun. It's a countable noun. It contains s. It so that this expression so that this one is a countable noun. And also another one, this s. Left when we arrive. Many children enjoy playing computer game. You see this many and children. This children is a noun. It's in plural form. It means many children enjoy playing computer game. There are several popular restaurants in Nairobi. This several it indicates that restaurants are countable nouns, and also it contains s. And also a large number of tourists visit Southeast Asia. Tourists, it is countable noun. It contains s, and also this a large number of. It referring that this one is countable nouns. All these things it has meaning. We know a few it so that this thing is not much. It is very few. It may be not much to up to 10, but it is very few. It is a few thing. They don't mention it, but anytime we say there are few people there, we know that they are not much. Their number is not much. And also many. This one it is much. This one several. It is not too much, not many. In between. And also a large number of the same thing as many. A large number. But we don't know their specific number, but we know that this number is very large. It may be million, it may be thousands or 100,000s. A large number of. These are the expressions used in countable noun only. The countable expression التعبير الذي مستعمل في الأسماء محدود أو أدوات التي مستعمل في اسم محدود. Several, idatu, a few, قليل, many, كثير, a large number of. عدد كبير mean a small number of. عدد قليل mean there were only a few seats left when we arrived. يوجد قليل مقاعد ولما وصلنا. Many children enjoy playing computer game. كثير أولاد يستمتعون لعبة أصوب. There are several popular restaurants in Nairobi. يوجد عدة مطاعم مشهورة بنairobi. A large number of tourists visit Southeast Asia. عدد كبير من السياح يزورون سلوك جنوب آسيا. In Yoruba, the countable expression àwọn irinṣẹ́ tá a máa ń lò níbi àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ tá a lè kà: several, a few, many, a large number of, a small number of. Several wọ́n lè lò fún pé nǹkan tí kò pọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n kò pọ̀ púpọ̀ parapọ̀ díẹ̀. Few nǹkan tí ó pọ̀ rárá. Many nǹkan tó pọ̀. A large number of òǹkà tó pọ̀ gan. A small number of òǹkà tó kéré. There were only a few seats left when we arrived. Àyè díẹ̀ náà ló ṣẹ́kù nígbà tá a dé. Few yìí pé díẹ̀. Àyè díẹ̀ náà ló ṣẹ́kù. Àyè díẹ̀ náà ló ṣẹ́kù nígbà tá a dé. Many children enjoy playing computer game. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ní gbádùn kí wọ́n máa gbá géèmù lórí kọ̀ǹpútà. Ó túmọ̀ sí pé many tá a bá kà wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú wọn ló láìkí wọ́n máa fi kọ̀ǹpútà ṣeré. There are several popular restaurants in Nairobi. Ó mìíràn pé ní Nairobi àwọn ilé oúnjẹ tó lámìlaka tórúkọ wọn hàn wọ́n wà ńbẹ̀. Èyí pé wọn ò pọ̀ púpọ̀. Àwọn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ tó yẹ pé wọ́n lámìlaka wọ́n hàn gan. Wọ́n wà ní Nairobi. A large number of tourists visit Southeast Asia. Ó túmọ̀ sí pé àwọn arìnrìn-àjò afẹ́ wọ́n máa lọ sí Asia ní Southeast Asia. Gúúsù ìlà oòrùn Asia àwọn arìnrìn-àjò afẹ́ wọ́n máa lọ bẹ̀ gan. Tó túmọ̀ sínú a rí i pé àwọn kìíní yìí àwọn tí wọ́n ń lò fún countable noun àwọn orúkọ tí a lè kà àwọn nìyẹn. The uncountable noun expressions. These are a little, a large amount of, a small amount of, much. These are the expressions used with uncountable nouns only. Any noun that are followed by this expression, they must be uncountable noun. And the uncountable noun, we know that they don't take s because s is the sign of plural and some other plural form. A little is that little is also like a few, but is used in uncountable noun. A large amount of is similar to a large number of. A small amount of is similar to a small number of. Much is similar to many in countable noun, but this one much is used in uncountable. Example of this is I would like a little milk with my coffee. It means that milk, you need a little milk. We know milk is an uncountable noun. You cannot count it. And this expression is for the milk is followed by it. Ekema always take a small amount of rice. It means Ekema eats small amount of rice. The rice he eats is not much. Small amount in it. Much time was wasted before work began. We know time also is uncountable now. Much time was wasted. All these things are the expression used only with uncountable nouns. There are also expressions that are used for both uncountable and both for uncountable and countable, but in another lesson. The uncountable nouns expression أدوات التي مستعمل مع أسماء غير محدود. A little, قليل, a large amount of, a small amount of much aksaru. I would like a little milk with my coffee. Uridu qalilu halib au qalilu laban maha coffee. Ekema always takes a small amount of rice. Yakulu dahima yakulu ekema qalilu mina rus. Much time was wasted before work began. Doha aksaru awqat qabula bidaya hamal. The uncountable nouns expression. Àwọn irinṣẹ́ tá a máa ń lò níbi àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àwọn irinṣẹ́ tá a máa ń lò níbi àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ tí ò ṣeé kà. A little nǹkan tó kéré. A large amount of nǹkan tó pọ̀. A small amount of nǹkan tí kéré náà ni. Much tó pọ̀. I would like a little milk with my coffee. Mo nídi mílíkì kékeré pẹ̀lú kọfí mi. Ekema always takes a small amount of rice. Ekema máa ń jẹ ráìsì tí ó pọ̀. Ráìsì kékeré náà ni ekema máa ń jẹ gbogbo ìgbà. Much time was wasted before work began. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àkókò ló ti ṣòfò kí iṣẹ́ ó tó bẹ̀rẹ̀. A rí i pé àwọn irinṣẹ́ yìí a little milk mílíkì tí ó pọ̀ tàbí ká sọ pé wàrà. Mo nídi wàrà tí ó pọ̀ pẹ̀lú mílìkì pẹ̀lú kọfí mi. A small amount of rice. Pé ráìsì díẹ̀ náà ni o. Much time àkókò tó pọ̀ ló ṣòfò ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́. In this lesson, these are the expressions used with uncountable noun. We have learned the countable and this one is for uncountable noun. The another one will be countable and uncountable. The expression is used for both countable and uncountable. If you come across this thing in Facebook, like my page. If you come across it in YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. You will learn everything that's supposed to learn in English language and also in Arabic language. We explain everything in 3 languages, but this one is not the first lesson. The second lesson has gone, and this one may be is either 3 or 4th lesson. You can search for the previous one so that you will complete your lesson. Thank you. God bless you. Meet next time.